How does $15 by doing a simple task sounds like? I'm pretty sure this might be interesting for a lot of people because this is something that you guys can do worldwide and you can actually do it whenever you want it because there is no real commitment with this. This is not going to be like a full-time job. This is going to be a really interesting side hustle. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be talking about a simple side hustle in which you can earn $15 and even more because this is something that you can do every single day whenever you feel like it. I'm going to show you all the websites and all the tools that we're going to be using. And at the end, guys, I'm going to be revealing a bonus. So you're going to have two ways in which you're going to be able to earn money online, but that's going to be at the end of the video. Now, let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we're going to be actually on the same page. First of all, guys, let me tell you a disclaimer here. I mean, this is a situation that has been happening. First of all, there is someone, a person or a group of people who are creating fake YouTube profiles, okay? Asking people to reach them via WhatsApp. Okay, I don't use WhatsApp. So if you notice that there is someone reaching you with my picture, with my profile picture, asking you to reach them on WhatsApp, that's definitely not me. Another situation that I realize, and this is because the community let me know, is that there is there is a person, there is a company, there is a group of people who knows that they're using part of one of my videos and they took it out of context. Okay, they took it out of context and they are showing it on this video as if I'm using an app. I'm not 100% sure if this app is a game, but what people told me is an app that is promising, people to make money online. I'm actually do not use any kind of games to make money online. I'm not promoting that. Okay, someone, as I told you, it's using part of my video and they took it 100% out of context and they're using me as a testimonial. So if you saw a video that it's outside of this YouTube channel, hey, report it, okay? Because that's definitely not me. Now, let me show you everything step by step. Let's go to the strategy. First, what we need is actually a PayPal account. We're going to go to paypal.com and you're going to be able to create a PayPal account. You don't need to have a business PayPal account. You can go with a personal PayPal account and that's going to be good. Okay. Why? Because most of the websites are going to give us the opportunity to actually be able, to get paid with PayPal. Okay. PayPal, it's a company that has been around for many years and it's actually have presence worldwide. So I'm pretty sure that you are going to have the opportunity to use it as well. Then after you create your PayPal account, now we are going to be talking about the websites that we're going to be using. And I say websites because there are a lot of them. Okay. First of all, it's going to be this one. Okay. You can go to Scribby. You can go to scribby.com or you can literally go on Google and type Scribby. That's going to be the very first link. And you're going to be a freelance transcription. Okay. You're going to be a transcriptionist and you are going to be working on your convenience, okay, whenever you feel like it, and you're going to earn between $5 to $20 per hour, per audio hour, okay? They provide you automate transcriptions, okay, to save you around 60% of the type effort, which is actually really amazing. And you're going to make sure that everything is with proper grammar, with the punctuation and all this stuff. There is no obligation. There is no monthly commitment. Okay. And right now, this website, it's open worldwide. Okay. This can change in the future, but at the time recording this video, this is the way it actually works. What you need in order to be a transcriptionist? Well, first of all, you need to have listening skills. Okay. You need to have the ability to listen and to comprehend English. Then you need to apply context, okay? You need to identify mistakes and correct the automated transcriptions. Okay, remember that they provide you the automated transcription, which is basically 60%. So you are not going to be working from scratch, and you're going to be earning between $5 to $20, okay, per audio hour paid into your verified PayPal account. How much you can earn? Well, if you are in an advanced level and you decide like, hey man, this is something that I want to go all in, 1,600 per month. Okay, remember the requirements, if we can sell them, these are actually requirements, is good English comprehension, the ability to interpret conversation, the ability to apply context and identify mistakes. Okay, you need to have a PayPal, a verified PayPal account, a laptop, desktop computer, internet connection, and headphone and headsets. Okay, so they have been online since 2008, and they already paid over 4 million in payouts. Okay, so you can work whenever you want. You can work in your convenience. You can work from home. Remember that they give you automated transcription. These are going to be actually short form, short files, okay, around 6 minutes long. So it's not something that you're going to be a slave like for an hour, okay? You can, remember, you can work whenever you feel like it. So this is the very first website. It's called Scribby, okay? So you can go to scribby.com. The next website, it's this one. It's gotranscript.com. Okay, you're going to go to gotranscript.com, and here they provide the same, okay, 100% human generated service. Okay, they have been featured in several websites, as you can see here, the New York Times, Forbes. Okay, so these are the benefits that they actually provide, and these are the industries, okay, that they actually manage, which is medical, legal, enterprise, academic, okay? But the cool thing about this website, and this is one difference between this one and Scribby, it's the fact that if you speak another language, okay, you're going to be able to earn even more. Let's say that you speak Dutch, okay? You see, now the price is way higher, okay? Because you have the ability to speak another language. Here we have some testimonials and all this stuff. So again, you can actually do this on your spare time. There is no commitment. This is actually freelance. Okay. What if you are like, well, this actually sounds interesting, but I know part of the language, but I don't feel like I am like a native English speaker, or I am a native Dutch speaker, or I am a native Japanese speaker. Okay, I need some help. Okay, there are tools that you can actually use. For example, we all know that you can use Google Translate. Google Translate is not 100% accurate, but it's gonna give you, the opportunity to not start from scratch. Okay, not start from scratch, but to have like a base in which you can be like, okay, there is a mistake here and there, I can correct it. Another tool that most people use, but they don't know they can translate, okay, and it do it way better than Google Translate. It's Chat GPT. Yes, you hear right. You can go to Chat GPT and you can use the prompt, translate this text, and then you are going to copy and paste there the text that you would like to translate. Okay, you're going to use it. Translate this text to Japanese. Then you're going to paste the text, and Chat GPT is going to translate it. And it's way more accurate than Google Translate. Most people don't know it, but you can actually use it. Okay, you can actually use it. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, let me know where you guys are from and what's your favorite payment method. Leave it in the comment area, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is available in your area. Also, guys, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay, so Do that after watching this video. Okay, now let me go back to the video. So now you have that information about ChatGPT. Remember, the prompt, it's really easy. It's translate this text to the language, Japanese, Dutch, Spanish, French, then paste the text, and the system is going to be start translating it. So you have those two options. Okay. Another website that you can use in order to earn, it's Transcribe Me. Okay. So you can go to transcribeme.com. You can become a freelancer and you can start earning anywhere. Okay. There is a huge community. You can accept the project that you feel more comfortable, and you can earn between 15 to $22 per audio hour. Okay. This is a little bit more of what we have already seen in the past. Okay. They're flexible. You can work whenever you want. You need to transcribe really short audios these are going to be between 2 to 4 minute audios. These are no long interview. Okay. When one clip is completed, the system, okay, it's going to be sending another. There is no limit on how many you can perceive consecutive. Okay. You can work from your home, you can work on the road, anywhere, okay, as long as you have internet connection, and you have a computer, okay? People are actually really happy with this. These are some of the testimonies from people who are already working with Transcribe Me. Feel free to create your account. Feel free to connect your PayPal, okay? You need to take an exam. It's not something crazy, and you're going to go and be a transcriptionist. So guys, as you can see, these are actually side hustles in which you're going to be exchanging or trading your time with money. Okay. But if you want to learn something different, something in which you are going to have the opportunity to have passive income. Okay. And this is something that you guys can do everywhere. Okay. So if you want to do something different, check the very first link in the description with what is my number one recommendation to make money online. Also, if you have some comments, some questions about the content of the video, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.